So today I'm going to talk about Havanese dog. Havanese is the breed of dog which is the national dog of Cuba. They are small in size and sturdy in structure. They have double coat which are very soft. This playful, gentle, responsible dog is an excellent family dog who is affectionate with everyone, including kids of all ages. This companionable dog comes in many colors. This intelligent dog can be a great watchdog. They require daily grooming if kept in full coat. They are social and a true companion pet. This breed is very smart and can be house trained. Their lifespan is about 14 to 16 years. Let's begin today's rhyme. Let's get started. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the dog had none. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the dog had none. Let's sing it again. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the dog had none. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the dog had none. Nice rhyme! So give it a thumbs up, which means liking it, share it with your friends and family. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit subscribe button. Okay, bye!